we know about the quote, the harder the battle, the sweeter is the victory. So hello to everyone out there watching this video. I'm Priyanjani of St. Xavier's School, and I'm here taking this honor to interview these three beautiful girls. So I would like to introduce them. First we have Miss Neha Chetri, who won the title of Miss Merchandise, and we have Miss Priyanjani Gurung, who won the title of Miss Talented, and we have Miss Saskshi Pradhan, who won the title of Miss Photogenic. So any further ado, I would like to start with the questions. As we all know about the quote, the harder the battle, the sweeter is the victory. Hello to everybody watching this video. I'm Kisang Choden Bhutia of St. Xavier's School, and I'm here taking this honor to interview these three beautiful girls. So any further ado, I would like to start with the questions. So how do you guys feel about the title you got?
I'm glad and thankful to those who supported me. I'm really happy to get this title and this crown. I feel like I'm in my own world and I'm the queen of this world.
I'm actually feeling very blessed looking back to all the hard works I've done, and at the end to achieve a title is a very big thing, and I'm very thankful to each and everyone out there who supported me and trusted me that I can do it.
I feel 1,000 miles of steps begins from the very first, and this is my very first step towards my dream, and I feel very proud of myself. Thank you so much.
Those were some very good answers. So the next question I would like to ask is, did you have any changes in yourself? Did you learn some good things out there?
So of course I have learned many new things. I have become more confident. I have become a better version of myself. And I would like to thank the organizers for organizing such a wonderful program. I have learned many new things and I had a very great experience. Thank you.
As Niyadi said that we all have become a better version of ourselves. Yes, she's right. Let's look in the past and see we have become more self-sufficient, we have become more confident, keeping our fears aside and doing whatever we like for being confident to the confident level we have reached, whatever the task is, by keeping our fears aside and doing everything in all the good ways and being confident. And yes, I'm very thankful to the organizers who taught us many things, from doing ramp walks on the stage, from introducing ourselves, and all have changed. Yes, so I'm thankful to the Miss Teen India Sikkim for believing in ourselves, and thankful to each and every organizers out there, from Disha ma'am to Kunal sir and Mana sir, who helped us in many ways. Thank you.
Yes, I do had many changes in my life, because the back then me was very different, and me standing here with you is very different, because back then I was afraid of people talking about me, and now I'm more self-confident, I'm lovable, and I can express my joy towards you. And yes, I can inspire to people who are afraid to come in this field and show their talents. And thank you so much.
I would like to ask, what kind of experiences did you have there?
First of all, thank you so much for your question. My experience in Miss Teen India Sikkim was very great. I had a very lovely time with my friends, and I learned many new things. I learned how to express myself in front of people. I learned many new things from our groomers and teachers. They were very good towards us, and I am more self-confident, loving, and thank you so much.
Experience was very great. Bond with the other contestant was very strong. We were all like a family, from having dinner together, from practicing together, from getting scored together. Each and everything was amazing. Experiences, from walking on the stage, from introducing ourselves, from being outspoken and being confident was a very good thing. And the groomers were so good with us. They were our friends. They taught us many ways. Our experiences were great.
Experience was really good there. We were like a family. We used to do everything together. The groomers were very good to us. They have taught us many new things. I'm really thankful to them for teaching us such a wonderful thing. We learned how to clap, we learned how to pose, we learned how to walk, we learned even how to do our makeups. They did our makeups, and they were the one to teach us what you should talk and what you should not. These were the things that made me have a great experience with them, and I really miss them and I really love them.
And yeah, how will you use this title to benefit others?
I will use this title to spread a message to every young generation out there, especially the Z generation, who is facing a lack of motivation from their parents, from the society. I just want to say, if you believe in yourself that you can do it, of course you can do it. No matter how hard it is, no matter how long it will take. Once you achieve the goal and look back to all your struggles, you'll be like, yes, I finally did it. You'll get the feeling that you do it. So don't be afraid to show your talents. Don't care about what others gonna think. Once you win, once you achieve your goal, everything is gonna be okay. The society won't come up to you and give up what you deserve. You deserve what you do. You deserve your goals. So believe in yourself, and I believed in myself. That's why I got this crown. So just believe in yourself and do what you like. Thank you.
Benefit others with this title in a very good manner. I will try my level best to motivate each and every people watching me in this video. I will love to tell them that just speak your inner voice and let people say that you are talented, you are capable for, and don't listen to people who talk behind you, because they are someone who's gonna talk good about you and even bad. Thank you so much.
I would like to motivate everyone seeing me right now, because this is a great opportunity for everyone. Like, we should never be afraid to showcase our talent. We should never hide our talent. We should always try to do our best in everything we do. I want everyone to participate. Thank you.
I would like to ask Miss Neha, what does success mean to you?
For me, success is being able to do the best every day in all the roles you have in life, whether it is a role of a daughter, son, friend, student, or an employee. For me, able to improve myself from good to better and from better to best is success. For me, material success is not a success. Thank you.
For me, success is achieving my goals by keeping my fears aside and thinking about the ones I love, the way they have sacrificed myself, and the way I've kept my fears aside just to make sure that I make them proud, because they deserve all the happiness. For me, success is improving myself from bad to good, from good to better, from better to best. So yes, success is something that I achieve from my hard work, from the practice I've done 24 hours. Thank you.
For me, success is not money, success is not fame, but success is enjoying whatever I do. Thank you so much.
You see, these three beautiful girls have had a great experience, and as we all know, that success is not a goal, it's a milestone. So they still have a long way to go, and I would like to wish them the best of luck. And I would like to thank them for representing Pakyong and XAVIER'S schools, the place we are still growing. And thank you everybody for watching this video.
Thank you everyone.